Okay guys, now that we have known how to add our songs, our Bible, presentation images and media, so now I'm going to show us how to preview all our lists and also how to make it go live on screen before proceeding to the next stage. So now, for example, we added a song, so I need to bring up that song, which is the hymn 35. Actually it's there, but I want to show you how to search it in case you can't find it quickly on the list. So immediately I just search hymn. You can see it's coming up gradually. I say 35, you can see it's there. So I want to preview it first, because it's good to preview before going live, because anything that you double click here goes live immediately. So you right click on it and you say preview. You can see this is how it's previewed, and by the time I want it to go live, I can double click on it now and you can see it's live. So there's a live screen, and for you to escape, you click on the empty desktop, just the way I'm clicking right now, and you press escape on your keyboard. And if you look down here, you will see some things. I will show you how to use this control in another tutorial, but for now let's just focus on the preview and the live screen. So the same thing goes for Bible. You can see we've searched Bible earlier, so I want this Bible to be projected. I want it to be previewed first before projected. This preview, you can see, double click on it, it's in live, click on the screen, press escape to exit that full screen. Take for example, I want to project all these Bible verses, so I click on the first one and I press Ctrl A on my keyboard. Ctrl A will select the whole things, and for me to project on screen, I'll press Shift Enter. You can see the whole thing is on screen. The reason why it's coming up this way is because my projector is not connected. If my projector is connected, I won't be seeing what is showing. The only thing I will be seeing is this desktop that we have right now, and the whole thing will go straight to the projector and to be projected on the screen. But because my projector is not connected to my computer, that's why we are seeing that full screen. So for example, I want this to this, I hold Shift, and where I want it to stop, I click on it. You can see it has opened. I say Shift Enter. You can see again. So you can pause this, you can replay the tutorial over and over again so that you understand how it works, so that you get used to it. And the same thing goes for presentation. You can preview it too, you can go live. It goes for presentation, you can see it's on. And images, everything goes like that. You can see. And also the media.
Alright, so we will be going over Easy Worship 2000.
So that's how the whole thing is done. Thanks for watching. We'll move to the next tutorial.